Communities in Brevard County saw plenty of flooding from all of that rain.
Yeah, some people even needed to be rescued by boat. This is wild. West 2's Paula Tristan Aruda live in Titusville this afternoon. And Paula, you've been there all morning long, and folks are still dealing with flooded roads. We can see some of it there behind you. What a mess.
Yeah, what a mess is right, Nancy. Now, we started off the morning looking at eroded roads between Mims and Titusville. Now, the mayor of Titusville says they received nearly 15 inches of rain within the last 18 hours. Now, everywhere we've looked, we've seen roads just like this one completely underwater. This section of Parish Road crumbling as water washed away a portion of the road in a rural area between Titusville and Mims. Then, even with a road closed sign blocking off Harrison Street in Titusville, cars rolled by. Neighbors had a lot to say about last night's storm.
The flooding was just really crazy. Like, I've never seen anything like that ever.
As the sun came up, the water went down, but we still saw plenty of roads impassable. Widespread flooding still an issue. Some chose to drive through the water, creating wakes, while some never made it.
People out in Mims, out in Brockett Road, Parish, all that whole North Mims area, I bet it's just as bad over there. My boss called me this morning saying, hey, how are you getting to it? I showed him a picture and he says, okay, don't worry about it.
This Sherwood neighborhood in Titusville looked like a river after water from a nearby pond overflowed. This morning's knee-deep water, an improvement from last night's waist-deep level. People living nearby say they have never seen it this bad.
Last night is the highest. I had 4 inches in my garage, which it's never got in my garage. It got right up to my garage door.
And neighbors are worried about more weather on the way.
I just would hate for more rain to bring the waters up higher. I know a lot of the neighbors, they had water come all the way up to the door.
Now, the mayor of Titusville said they received more than 450 calls for service last night, and they answered each and every single one of them. He says that crews are working round the clock to address flooding like this and also to assess any damage. The county has been working on some areas as well. Covering Brevard County live in Titusville, Paula Tristan Aruda, WESH 2 News.